Welcome back guys to your channel HIT for Speedy HIT number 18. To collect items where your hand cannot reach, you can take help of a vacuum cleaner. Use any extension provided with your vacuum cleaner and activate this section of that particular machine. As certain corners are far from our reach, use this small machine to do your job. Some tiny items are so small that they go so far that we cannot even see. But we know they are definitely there. So here is the solution once again. This is a small piece of my ear stud. Let's try if vacuum cleaner will be able to collect this particular piece for me. Oh yes, it did. It has collected. Let me give you a closer picture of this particular item getting collected in vacuum cleaner. So this is the piece which it has collected. Thanks to the effort which it has done on behalf of me.